sheet pan. Alright, so what I'm going to do here is bring all of the batter down to the tip, but I'm not going to try and squeeze it out from here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do what I call breaking it off. I'm going to grab halfway, part way up, and give it a little twist, okay? See, like that, okay? And I'll tell you why. Because it's a lot easier to squeeze this little bit than to squeeze this whole freaking thing, okay?
Okay.
So keep that in mind. All right, so we're just going to go like so. Oh, yeah. Just like doing eclairs. That's how you do eclairs. Only with cream puff dough, yeah. Okay.
That might be an idea for a future series.
I don't really like doing eclairs, to tell you the truth. I think that they're too hard to fill. I love doing cream puffs, though, and that is absolutely on the agenda for
Future?
one of the future videos that we're going to make.
Okay.
I absolutely want to do cream puffs. Because, if we do cream puffs, then, we can do swans, and we can do profiteroles, and we can do, you can do eclairs, but like I said, they're very hard to fill, so I think that they're kind of impractical. Okay. But that's just me, I mean, there are people that love eclairs. And you can't take them. Well, yeah. but my point is that I like doing the cream puffs instead because it's the same exact thing, only it's easier to fill a big hollow, puff than it is a long tube.
Right.
Okay. It just trust me, it's just easier. It's you get more.
I can see where that'd be
more cream for the crust, so to speak. Okay, so now I'm getting. Oh, actually, I got all that left. So let me just go ahead and keep going here. Okay, getting down there. Alright, so my squeezing hand isn't the same as it used to be. I've squeezed the bag so long that I've kind of worn out my muscles here, so when it gets to be small, I have a hard time. So we'll put the rest of this in. Okay. Very good. And again, we'll just close that off.
Okay.
Spin the dough down. Like so. Now, I've got an air bubble right here. I got fresh dough here, and I got a little bit of old dough right here in the tip. So what I'm going to do is just burp the bag. Okay?
Okay.
So, now if it was a bunch more, I would actually load it back in, but I'm not going to worry about that. Okay, so here we go. Let's just finish this pan off with one more row. Alright, so now I got enough that I'm going to do another half sheet pan. I'm not going to fit it all here.
Okay.
And happen to have one ready to go, of course. Let's do this.
Well, ladies and gentlemen, please try this at home.
Okay, almost got it all. Oops. Well, that one's going to be a little misshapen, but that's okay. It'll be one of our testers.
That's it.
And here we might as well just take this little guy here. Do that with it. All right, folks, we are going to bake these cookies at my normal baking temperature, 350 degrees in your normal conventional oven at home. My convection oven runs about 50 degrees hot, so we're going to cut that down to 295, 340, 345. It's really good. I always like to bake a few degrees light, just simply because that gives you an extra minute of window before they're going to be done enough, but not too done. So, all right. So I'm going to turn the oven on. These, in my experience, are going to bake about 8-9 minutes on one side and 4 or 5 minutes on the other side. As I do bake them, I will, set a timer instead of doing my internal timer, just so that I can give you a specific number as to what I do. So keep watching, and we'll be back with some baked cookies here for you.